Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoy the show. Just another update. Remember, on this channel, we fuck around with cars. Rondvok met karre, translated into English, fuck around with cars. So, to take this one to the exhaust shop to get it a bit quieter. We haven't worked on the SS at all. We've been playing too much with the newer car. We are still also organizing the workshop space so that we can work a lot easier. So those two bodies we want to bring to the top here, and then where the SL is now, we were going to install a 2-post lift so we can get under the car easier. And the space is starting to get a bit more organized. We are selling bootlets, bonnets, sorry. In the back there is bootlets. I'll get them out sometime. Look, we are trying to sell these, and obviously those two, but I don't think it's going to be selling very quickly. So there's basically three sets, 2 sets of those. There's a chassis behind it. They've got an extra grill for the 1.5, 3 sets of back fenders, and then a set of 4 doors. If somebody wants to buy it, lekker. If nobody buys it, we're going to do something with them. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Please remember to subscribe. We will be getting to the SS soon. I hope very, very soon. And we'll keep you updated. This one's going in for its exhaust. First video, the SL is in the air and the engine looks horrible. We've taken off all the covers. The radiator seems to be looking okay. It's not really the radiator, is it? That's the aircon. There is some interesting some whiteness, some nuts missing. So they have worked on this before, obviously. There's a bit of oil. There's a bit of oil. It looks like the gearbox. We have changed the front battery and the battery at the back. We started looking into the engine. It's losing coolant. We managed to find the leak. So it looks like this pipe here underneath there where it goes in, maybe I'm hoping there's just a seal that's missing. Maybe it's a new pipe. Hopefully it's not a new radiator, but yeah, it's leaking over there. We've also discovered the oil filter housing. There's oil coming out. So slowly but surely we're getting her sorted as well. A lot of oil under the SL's engine, eh? So we upgraded the bakkie a bit. We got a new cover and a roll bar. So she's looking a lot better nowadays.
55.
So Shuaib just took out this ring and you can see it's flattened. So we're just going to replace it.
Because of our wounds.
And that could be our cause, yeah. So just an update. It wasn't the seal that we thought it was. We took out the whole radiator. Now there's lots of space. We can get to the engine, eh? And the radiator is faulty.
The side tank, at least it's not the
So
tank.
do you want to show us, Swape?
Oh, this is the radiator removed and
Yeah.
where you see the green lines is basically a crack in
We're
the tank.
leaking, yeah, over there.
So luckily we got the right color antifreeze to show the fog out better. At least it's not the tank with the gearbox oil cooler in.
Yeah.
And the core looks very good still. I would think very good.
So guys, we weren't that lucky. We had to buy a brand new radiator. You can see it there. Sorry, I've already installed it. See how nice and brand new it is over there. Like, yeah. You know, the harp thing those other YouTube channel people do. But then this pipe that goes from the engine to the radiator, it's not so lekker. So we're now going to get a new pipe as well, and we also bought a new cap. That should sort out the cooling system of this lovely SL. Oh, and by the way, we got the roof to work. Stupid me. Read the instruction, men. So this little button here lifts up So there's two little buttons. So I thought that is bring the top down and bring the top up or something like that. But it didn't operate the roof. Then we figured out this is actually a switch. And just put the key inside the ignition quickly and switch it on. So if I pull that, then the roof comes off. So everything does work that far. Cool, so we've done the radiator, coolant is all good, going well. We fitted some spacers, but maybe we can go a bit thicker spacer. We still have to do the front and check if that works. C-Class just doesn't stop, eh? So the back brakes are finished and we're doing a back brake job, and found that one of those threads in the back there is crossed, so we're busy changing that, and we're gonna put the S-Class rims on here finally. Yeah, it's there so that I can get those sensors out. I obviously need new tires, so when I go for a tire job I can take those sensors out to get them ready for the rims that I'm getting ready for this S-Class. So guys, I'm in Cape Town. This is your sunsets. Show me one place in the world that beats this. And then furthermore, you've got some talent next to the road there.